Thanks for joining me on D's Analysis. We're going to be looking at HIMS stock today. Previously, we did have a downtrend that we broke out of in 2022. Looks like it wanted to get a retest, but never ended up getting back to the trend line. Pushed up higher, and we've been in an uptrend ever since. Kind of have a channel going on. Kind of broke out of it a little bit. Let's say maybe it's there. Pretty steep uptrend right now. We also do have another trend line within at a steeper angle as well. So that's something to take note of. But it's been pretty consistent, creating floors and taking the stairs up right now. And recently it took a pretty big hit, a 56% drop. And it's coming back to a previous level of support and resistance. So it looks like it's trying to get a bounce here. We'll see if it holds, of course. It looks like price is starting to stall at this level, so potentially we could be getting that reversal that we're waiting for. A lot of the viewers that watch this channel aren't subscribed. It's about 80% of you guys. So if you're not subscribed, please do so if you want more content similar to this, and I'll keep pushing out content for you guys. Two scenarios I do see playing out are potentially losing this long-term trend line, retesting and moving down to the next level. And the other scenario would be pushing up higher, chopping at this next level, maybe a retest, pushing up to this level here, retest, and continue moving up. So we're just trying to make it to that middle band here inside of this channel. On the weekly, we still look good though, because we got 2 wicks off of this horizontal level. There is a peak of volume here. As you can see, you have a massive spike here on the daily. And on the weekly, it's starting to look a little bit better. We did have an insane amount of volume on the bearish side. That's how we got that 56% downward move. But it looks like momentum's starting to kick back up to the upside, and it's starting to look pretty good. In terms of the SMAs, on the daily, we're underneath the 20 and the 50, but we're still holding the 200. On the weekly, we look pretty good because we're holding the 20, and the 20 usually holds that upward trend intact. So if we can hold this bounce and continue pushing up, that would be perfect. On the Bollinger Bands, we're underneath the blue on the daily, stuck in between the blue and the green. Let's see if we can get that push up to the blue and then eventually push up to the red and create that momentum that we need. On the Bollinger Bands, we look pretty good. We're on the middle band on the blue. We're getting a bounce off of that in confluence with this horizontal level of support, along with the 20-week SMA as well. So there's a lot of things holding price up. So there's a good chance that we could push up to the upside. Nothing guaranteed, but it increases the odds, of course. In terms of Fibonacci, when you pull from this level to here, the 1618 was a perfect ceiling, and then we ended up breaking above it, acting as support and pushing up higher, and we ended up hitting that 2618 level. So now, if we were to pull it up a little bit higher, we can see that the 1618 is still relevant. So let's see if we can push back up, try and break it, use it as support, and push up to the 2618. And we're going to pull it up one last time to the top here. And if we were to hit the 1618, that would put us at $117, 115 bucks. So let's see how it plays out, of course. Nothing's guaranteed, but it's just something to take a look at. Now we're going to look at the fibs and the flip version, where we pull it here and to this low, to this high here. You got a perfect bounce off the golden zone, the 0.5 to the 0.618. Played out perfect. So you wouldn't look at this because you pull from here. So this move is irrelevant after the fact. So you're only looking after the pull. So it would be from here and on to the right. Anything to the right of this move here. So we got the bounce perfectly off the golden zone, 0.5 to the 0.618. We bounced off the 0.618 and moved up higher. So we're going to pull it up higher just to see where things could potentially continue moving. We're going to pull it all the way to the top here. We are actually at the 0.618 again. Look at that. So let's see if we get a repeat of what just happened, where we bounce off the golden zone, 0.5 to 0.618, and move on up to higher prices and to the top of this channel, and eventually break out of the channel and move to even higher prices. That's my take on HIMS. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.